Hi, welcome to another episode of Interior Design with Rae, bringing you tips and tutorials for your home renovation journey. So today I'm going to commence this 3-room resale condominium in Shelford Road. I'll go through what I have proposed, and later my guys are going to start the hacking soon. Okay, so let me just show you what I have proposed. Okay, so what you see now is the private lift lobby. So this unit has a private lift lobby. Once you step out is the living over here and the dining area. So what I propose is there's going to be a TV feature wall here. Because they have a cat, so they would like to have some shelving and some ladder where the cat can climb up, and then it goes like this. And then until here, you will jump down, or there's some shelving here. So over at the dining side, I'm going to create a new dining table with some simple feature wall at the back. This entire kitchen wall is going to be hacked down. The new kitchen cabinet will have a center glass panel to allow more light to come in from the kitchen window right into the passageway. And I'm going to make this into like a pantry area. So as you can see, the kitchen is quite straightforward, right? It's just one row. So the center panel is going to be removed, and there'll be glass panel that allows light to pass through. So this part here will be the sink and the fridge. And of course, not to forget this bay window. So there's going to be some cabinet here for the appliances. Okay, this is the yard area. So yard area, there is a storeroom. So I'm going to convert this storeroom partially into a washing machine area. So the new storeroom entrance will be over here, which is the passageway area. Okay, so it's I'm going to hack a door opening here. You can see that the marble flooring is actually quite worn out. It no longer has the shine. So the marble flooring is going to be polished. So at the master bedroom, I'm going to build a bed and a headboard. I'm going to replace the engineer wood. Okay, this is should be an engineer wood flooring or some timber flooring. Okay, and it's already worn out. So I'm going to remove them and then replace with new engineer wood flooring. So the bathroom is going to be just overlay. Okay, replace the floor and wall tiles and then new fittings. Okay, so at the passageway there is a bay window. I'm going to finish up with a frame and a sintered stone top. These are the two common bedrooms. So very simple. Going to replace the wardrobe, add a bed and a sideboard. It's a straightforward layout because the space, as you can see, is not really big. Same for this common bedroom as well. There's a wardrobe. So this double deck is going to be dismantled and throw away, and the bed location will be here with a sideboard at the side with some storage.